Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I'm going to unbox two more kits that I purchased from Michaels during their sales event, 30% off on Labor Day. Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video we are going to unbox these two gorgeous diamond painting kits from Make Market that I purchased last weekend during a sales event, 30% off, and we'll see how they look inside. The specifications are the same: 16 by 20 inches, full round drill diamond painting kits. This kit is called Tree Forest. This one is Night Sky. So let's see how the canvas and the drills look. And just to mention, the original price is $15 US, $22 if we round it up Canadian, but it is on 30% sale now. So if you are going to purchase it during this time, the price is $10.59 US, 30% off. And we'll start with the Tree Forest. The canvas is fabric based, it is woven polyester. If you follow my channel, you know it is very similar to Diamond Dots one. This kit contains 31 colors. The symbol printing is very clear, only one symbol has black wheels around it, all the rest don't. The canvas itself is partially color related, because if you look at the preview at the completed kit, you can see that colors are a little bit off from what you see on the imprint, which is good, at least for me. It is an element of surprise. So that's how it looks. This kit contains 31 colors. I really hope that it comes with AB drills. If not, I will definitely replace AB colors. I will definitely replace resin drills with a white AB. And over here on the symbol that symbolizes the snow. Okay, that sounded very weird. White color that symbolizes the snow, and maybe a few crystals or ABs on the stars. But white AB will be replaced for sure if this kit does not contain it. So that's how the canvas looks like. Now let's see the drills. Okay, I'm actually really very happy with the colors, because there is a combination of lilac colors. I really love lilac. Purple is beautiful, but very rarely I run into lilac colors like this, or like this. Um, I don't know, on the screens it looks darker than it really is, but the color shades are beautiful, all that I like very much. Lilac slash purple, a lot of blue colors, light blue colors, and to my surprise, this kit does contain white ABs, which is perfect. I think that this kit will look amazing with white AB colors. So let's look at the drills. So white ABs, white resin drills, variations of blue, dark blue, light blue, green wave, I guess. Lots of shades of purple, a few shades of gray, and again, as you can see, like dirty blue, if it is possible to say so, very dark blue, sky blue, like different colors of blue, purple, even oh, actually this looks like pink, but in real life it is lilac. And this one is also, it's like dark purple, dark lilac, I would say. Yeah, camera actually makes colors look appear different than they really are. That's weird. But in any case, I love the combination of lilac, purple, white, or blue, dark blue, white, light blue, dark blue, white, blue, purple, white, lilac. I think that this is one of the most beautiful color combination: white and lilac purple, white and blue, dark blue, and this kit comes with this combinations actually, and I think it will turn out gorgeous. And as I said, most likely I might replace maybe this color. It appears as light gray with diamond dots crystals. Um, if it's gonna belong, to the image, maybe on the stars. If it is not on the stars, then I wouldn't be replacing it. But maybe some blue AB if I find it, because I have a few blue shades in ABs. But other than that, I would leave it the way it is. So let's move to the next kit. So the next design is Night Sky. Again, specifications are absolutely the same, and on this one, I do not even see any dark wheels around the symbols, not even for the white color, which is great. That's how it looks. Also is not really color related. As you can see, there is more like reddish purplish, but if you look at the design itself on the preview, there is more like blue colors instead of purple, red, pink. I'm not even sure what color is like the combination. So gorgeous design. And this kit contains only 18 colors, very few. So I can use it as a kit to rest upon, in between my bigger kits that contain lots of colors, because I think that this kit would be diamond painted pretty fast. First of all, because of the fewer colors. Then the rest of the kits have only 18, that's not much. And a lot of color blocking. Look at that. Lots of color blocking. Very few confetti in here. So this kit should be diamond painted in no time. I'm trying to focus. I think you can see it. Yeah, lots of color blocking. Great. Now let's look at the drills, and again I think that this kit would also benefit a lot from AB diamonds, and I hope it comes with those because it would look beautiful as the snow over here and on the moon. So let's see the drills. Unfortunately, this kit does not come with white ABs, although it does have white color, of course, a lot, and I'm not even sure that I have that much in my stash. If I have, I already told you that I'm going to replace white resin drills with ABs, but unfortunately I do not have that much in my stash, that many AB drills, white AB drills. I have a few, but not that much. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 bags, but definitely not 3. So as to the colors, a lot of blue shades, light blue, dark blue, lots of blue shades. Black color, of course, the forest, but the majority of the colors are blue. And blue is my favorite color. I like it very much, and it makes sense that it has a more, I would say, darker colors. It is night, and that's how it's supposed to be. So as you can see, like, I would think like, I don't know, 16 maybe out of 18 colors are blue shades. Beautiful, gorgeous. So this is all for today. I have one more diamond painting kit to open, and I hope we will do it tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link for these 2 kits if I find them in Michael's. The event is still going on, 30% off. Not sure when it's gonna finish, when it's gonna be over. But if you like these gorgeous kits and you do not have an opportunity to purchase it in your physical local stores, go online and order them with 30% off, $10 each. Thank you so much for watching, and see you